Hi, I'm Chris Bursa, and in this episode of Beats and Bobs, we're going to look at an awesome linear idea that's going to help us develop our ghost notes and groove flow. So in this video, we're going to look at a one-bar phrase that is going to be a linear pattern, a linear groove that's going to build our ghost notes and our groove flow. What I mean by groove flow is when you're playing a whole bar of linear phrasing like we're doing here, it's easy to trip up over yourself. You want to try and make sure that that's flowing nicely, sounding musical, making sure that there's nice even spacing between the notes, something I try and practice regularly to a click or to track. You want to make sure that we're keeping that nice and consistent. And this is a really cool exercise to do that. Secondly, as well, we're going to look at dynamics in our left hand, our snare drum hand, trying to get those ghost notes nice and low. Obviously, there's accented notes on 2 and 4, so all the remaining snare drum notes we're going to keep nice and low. Stick height low to get those ghost notes. So let's see the notation. You can see a one-bar phrase. We're in 4/4 here, so you can see there's 4 groups of 16th notes per beat. We're going to count this as 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and as always, and let's dissect beat 1. In beat 1, we have a bass drum followed by a ghost note snare drum, a hi-hat, and another bass drum. 1 E and boom, ch, tss, Hey guys, if you're finding these videos helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. In beat 2, we have our first backbeat of the bar, so our accented snare drum, followed by a hi-hat, followed by a bass drum, followed by a ghost noted snare drum. 2 E and ga, tss, ch. In beat 3, we have a hi-hat, bass drum, ghost note snare, and a hi-hat, 3 E and tss, ch, tss. This sets up the final backbeat of the bar on beat 4. We're going to have snare drum, bass drum, hi-hat, and our final ghost note snare drum. 4 E and ga, boom, tss, ch. This is a really good exercise to practice groove flow. Trying to make sure those 16th notes have some real flow to them. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and whatever tempo we decide to practice this at. I'm playing this at 110 BPM in the example, but you can also try this at slower tempos, faster tempos, trying to build that flow. Don't forget to experiment with orchestration as well. That right hand can move onto the toms, to the bell of the ride, if you've got a stack or a china cymbal, anything like that, a cowbell, really does kind of make that melody pop a bit more, making it work in different genres and different styles. So, give this one a practice, really awesome one to develop your linear coordination, ghost notes, groove flow, works on more than one aspect of our playing. As always, the PDF is in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the other content on this channel. Happy practicing, stay well, and we'll see you soon.